Hello. Well, let's see if we can load a stop sign. Here is a stop sign. I'll drag it into GIMP. Now it's in GIMP. I'm running GIMP 2.10. We're going to rotate the image. To rotate the image, I go to the image menu and I can choose transform, and I'll use arbitrary rotation. Let's rotate it by 45 degrees. Okay, right click rotate, and there we are. I've got a lot of transparency around the stop sign, so I'll do image, crop to content, and now it just fits, and I have a rotated stop sign in Cree, in English, in French. Let's export that as a JPEG. Notice, by the way, when I do export as a JPEG, we'll lose transparency because JPEG images don't support transparency. If you want to keep transparency, save it as a PNG image instead. But we'll go to File, Export as, and I'll type stop sign.jpg. Alright, export. I get some choices. The JPEG quality, I can see by the preview that I'm okay with it. You might like it a little bit higher. Let's try about 90, and the artifacts are reduced. I don't need metadata in this. I don't want the color profile in it. It just takes up space. Alright, we're ready. Export. And we're done. Probably if we go over here, we will see somewhere. There it is. There's the new stop sign. I can tell it's the new one because it's got the name I just typed, because it's got the white borders around the edge. Alright, so we're all done successfully.